Hey guys, welcome to Made with Unity Monday for the 22nd of November 2021. I feature some of the best games, content, visual effects, and everything made within Unity each week. Be sure to submit to me if you have any awesome creations for a chance to be featured in next week's episode. Be sure to check out my Patreon to get access to over 115 different scripts, projects, and so much more. Throw a like on this video, so thank you so much, and take a look at all these great creations. User Valiant Brain has got a chemistry lab simulator perfectly for the mobile platform. Play to Chill Studio has been working on their motorbike mechanic simulator. User hotdog_Jones spent so much time putting these books together, and look what's happened. Bengal 2004 has got the trees protecting the forests themselves. Inglorious Aztecs, I've got mining crocodiles with jetpacks. What more could you want? Running Pixel is digging up his own studio in the Oculus Quest 2 using blocks. LiQWYD Studios has got some Powersliding Fun with improved vehicle physics, and look how awesome it's looking. Ayeko Dev 3D has got an audience simulation which runs with over 600 FPS to bring everything to life. Kev Anderson has got hop legs. Felix has got the boss fight all ready to go. Janero has turned the traditional UI into something that looks a little bit more funky. Jacob Deswinnel knows where John Wick hides his weapons. User Pomperi has got some work in progress of their Junkyard Game. Shazod114 has got some real-time grass physics in Unity 2020 with HYDRA. David Rutten has got some dynamic object pooling, and you can get over 280 FPS. Adamtravers has got some new HYDRA playable monsters. Soupmasters has spent some time getting this transformation just right. The Sync Studio has got what you need to get rid of all of the evidence. Soul Snare has got the ability with synergies in their new title. PlayGlyph has got some awesome new game mechanics. BedtimeDigitalGames has got a musical boss fight with its own themed songs. Dragon Soldier 2K has got magic spells, creative powerful combos, and a roguelike experience. Be sure to check out all these Made with Unity fantastic creations for the 22nd of November 2021. Be sure to send me a message if you have any awesome creations for a chance to be featured in next week's episode. Be sure to come and check out my Patreon for over 115 different scripts and projects you can't find anywhere else. Come and join me on Discord if you want to chat. Check out my great assets on the Unity store, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.